Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you need to follow along with me today is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? This week we're building on our expression lessons by adding body language, specifically hands, to help communicate what the character is thinking or feeling. Earlier this week, we drew the amazingly expressive genie from Aladdin. Today we're going to draw another rubbery, expressive character, Roger Rabbit. If you've never seen the movie Who Framed Roger Rabbit, it's a must-watch for any lover of animation or cartoons. Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Roger Rabbit in some expressive poses. So what do you look like when you want someone to know you're enthusiastic about something? What might your hands be doing in that situation? Well, we're going to explore that in this first drawing of Roger Rabbit. So let's draw Roger showing some enthusiasm. So there's our enthusiastic Roger Rabbit. In this next drawing, we're going to capture Roger in something that's sort of the opposite of enthusiasm. What would Roger look like if he was worried about something? What might his hands be doing? Okay, so let's draw Roger looking somewhat worried. Okay, so there's Roger Rabbit looking a bit worried. All right, so we'll do one more. In this next one, we're going to draw Roger looking very proud of himself. It's that total look of confidence and satisfaction. What would his face look like? What would his hands be doing? Let's explore that by drawing Roger Rabbit looking proud and confident. Alrighty, so there we have it, Roger Rabbit in a series of expressive poses. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Roger Rabbit before, or worked on expressions or expressive poses, then you can't expect to have drawn them perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring Roger during this video, because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Roger Rabbit in various expressive poses. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color them when you're done. I also encourage you to take what you've learned in this video and give other characters some of these same poses. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see you drawing a Roger Rabbit in these poses. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.